In this video, I'm going to show you how to bypass DoorDash waitlist. Now, this should be a quick and easy process. All you have to do is to go ahead follow these instructions step by step. Now, let's go ahead and step right into it. Now, a DoorDash waitlist is the waiting list you get placed on if there is currently too many dashers in the area. And how to get rid of it? All you have to do, you can always try delivering in different markets that are near your current market. However, this isn't guaranteed to work, but it's worth checking a few different zip codes nearby on the Dasher app and see if you'll get lucky. Now, if you are on the DoorDash waitlist because the service just isn't available in your market, you really have any options but to wait for the DoorDash to enter your area. Now, how long is the DoorDash waitlist? On average, to be anywhere from a few weeks to 2 or 3 months, depending on your current driver demand. Now, this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.